Team, stay clear. Maintain 10 meters. Watch the cables. No slack. Steady. No one under the load. Attention all personnel. Maintain 50-meter clearance from the lift zone. Report any engine movement. Copy that. Monitoring this way. Ropes taut. Guiding forward. Copy. Checking alignment. Clear to lower. Sub on blocks. Ropes down. Hulls corroded, checking integrity. Copy. Structural points next. Got it, turning now. All right, it's free, pulling back. Final checks are good. Test phase almost complete. Confirmed. Initiating software update now. Update complete. System is stable. Initiating activation sequence. Core temperature rising. Hold steady. Congratulations to every participant. Let's give a round of applause for the whole team.